One, two, three. Wow!
Hello my dolls! Today I am trying out intuitive painting with my sister.
Hi, I'm Linda.
This is my sister Linda. Do you know what intuitive painting is?
I think not really having a concept of what you're going to paint, just following your instinct and have fun.
There's no real definition of intuitive painting actually, but there are a few aspects or a few points that could be important. So number one, we just draw. We don't have a real plan in head, just like you said. We just draw like whatever we feel like drawing. It's also about where the painting takes us. Just to add on this, not having a plan in head means also you're not over-engineering anything. You're not analyzing it, you're not planning anything. Letting out what's inside already. Point number two. So point number two is also that we try not to judge what we paint. So first of all, it's not judging what the other person is painting. Second of all, we're not judging what we are painting ourselves. So if it's ugly, then it's ugly, because this is not the point of it. It's just about letting go, going with the flow. So it's not about we want to produce the most magnificent picture in the whole wide world and we want to put it on the wall. It's just about fun. But if you do happen to stumble across a concept that you really like, for example this little scraping thing, then you can also definitely refine it in further steps and in further paintings. Okay, then point number three! So how do we get to intuitive painting? There are a few ways to let go of this judging and of this analyzing brain, of this mindset. And one point could be that we have a prompt. Like let's say somebody tells us to draw a bee, and then we just draw a bee. The second point is that we have a limited amount of time to do it. So usually if you're just painting like a sketch, you have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes time for that. Or if you want to paint a bigger painting, then it could be that we have only 30 minutes time. Yeah, I think that was actually it. Like another aspect could be that we have music. So we put on a certain song and it has a certain mood, a certain atmosphere, and we just go with the flow there. And different songs might portray different feelings, different emotions, and we just go with the emotion that is being portrayed in the song. Alright guys, so this is where we will be stopping the video. I hope you had some fun. Was it enjoyable for you?
Yes, I had a lot of fun. I hope you too!
And what about just like going with the flow? Was that something that
was really cool.
Okay! Okay, so no more to say. See you next week.
Bye!
Bye!